This is the rear end of the winch. Over here you have your power switch, which remains on all the time. There's a little red light once the power is on to show you that it's active. There's a 5 amp fuse here just to protect the motor. Okay, on this right hand side you have your clutch, which if it's slotted down and engaged in the little slot there, so like that and down, then the reel is free and will run freely, and you'll use this like this when you use the winch handle to manually wind the winch. Once it's you disengage or you engage the clutch, it clicks and it locks in. All right, your winch handle is sitting on the right hand side of the winch. There's a little catch here which you just flip up and pull it out. Okay, and then you insert it into this hole on the left hand side, and then disengage the clutch and wind it. Make sure you're holding onto the handle while someone disengages it, otherwise it could free fall. If it does start running freely, there's a brake handle over here which you can pull down and hit and break the fall of the cable. First step would be to remove the 2 straps and pull out the ladder. Okay. Alright, always push back on the ladder, make sure all the clips are securely in. Okay, clip, push back, secure. Okay. Okay, next step is to secure the lifting cable. Okay, pull it out and take it through the pulley. Okay, back to the and then onto there. Okay, next step would be to lower it, Jaden. Okay, put the straps on for us, clear? You just unscrew those little, you can do that side too. Okay, you just take up the slack. That should be fine. Okay, try and get them even. Okay, alright, we're going to lift on the okay. So now okay, you just test on the front. Some weight on. We're already plugged in the power. This is a 220 volt. Once that's on, if the light doesn't come on and that is showing power, you must just make sure that your stop switches are released. Sometimes when you're moving it, these things get bumped in, and then it thinks if I release that, my power light comes on. So anytime the emergency stop is pushed, the power light will go off. Okay, we're going to release the cable now so that they can hook it up to the weight, to our testing. Okay, go, pull. Need more slack? You're right. Okay. Okay, we're taking up the slack. Okay, it's 45 kilograms lifted there on the full extension. connected to the battery. Just quickly go the vehicle battery. Okay. Still the switch over there. Okay, there's the power switch here for the inverter, which we'll leave in the on position, but just make sure that it is on. Okay, and then you'll see we switch over. This is the DC plug coming in. The moment the AC plugs in, so I'll just pull that out. Okay, so your DC plug. There you go from 220 to 12 volt DC. Switch to DC. There the power's on, and we lift. And down. Okay, so we've got it all packed away. We've put the ladder up. We've just put a piece of cardboard in there so it doesn't scratch, but you don't need that. There's with the two straps that are used to lift the ladder onto the cable. You secure that, and then with the steel, this winch has got a tube here. Just put that around the ladder and onto your cable, your main cable going to the winch. We've also just secured onto this shackle there, and this is how you would use it. Would be positioned for transport. Everything ready to go.